Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading. More specifically, we're talking about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you can find across the markets today. I do a couple of things. I teach a course where traders learn two specific gap trading strategies. The first one is known as the morning gap trades. This is where stocks that are gapping higher or lower at the open create an opportunity. The opportunity for traders is when they can identify a specific price where the stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and secondly have a price reaction from in the other direction. In my course, traders learn exactly how to calculate those specific price levels. They also learn which stocks this works the best with, what are the criteria we're looking for, what type of volume is important. All the necessary and important criteria is discussed in the course. The second strategy outlined in the course is known as the gap fill strategy. When stocks do gap higher or lower at the open, it creates what's called an open gap. And at some point in the future, whether it's today or whether it's a week, a month, or a year from now, those open gaps will likely be filled. In the course, I teach traders how to track them, and I teach traders how to trade them. Not all trades are created equal, and the trade depends on how the price is coming into filling the gap on whether or not it becomes a viable trade. All the details, of course, are discussed in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. The second thing I do is give traders an opportunity to get my gaps each and every day sent to them about 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 minutes before the market's even opened for business. Here's a copy of the email that went out to traders this morning. As you can see, it arrived a tad bit early today. This morning, we had 4 potential gap trades on the board. We had Ulta Beauty, Viva Systems, GameStop, and Abercrombie & Fitch. 2 of the stocks did not hit their specific price targets, so they're off the board. We only want trades when they come into the prices that we calculate as the highest probability trades on the board. 2 stocks did hit their levels. It was VEEV and GameStop GME. First, we'll look at VEEV. Gap lower, support levels are 56.04, 52.87, and 49.70. Stop and profit target is about 30 to 55 cents. These are minimum profit targets. These are scalp trades. These are day trades. A scalp trade can turn into a day trade, and in the course, traders learn how to turn some of these trades into risk-free, emotionless trades, getting much more out of the trade than the minimum profit target. We'll take a look at the chart of VEEV in a minute. The second one that came into its price level today was GameStop GME, gap lower. Support level is $19.08. I only had one potential support level for this stock today. It was either going to hit it or it was not. Stop and profit target is about 15 to 30 cents. Again, minimum profit target. In addition to this list, I also give a list of potential gap fill trades for the day. Today, we didn't have any stocks thus far that filled their gaps, but it's more opportunity for traders. I track all the stocks that gap higher or lower at the open each and every day, and therefore traders get a list of the potential gap fill trades that are close to filling their gaps every single morning. Let's go check out some charts. I've taken the Viva Systems chart down to a 1-minute time frame because I want to show the magnitude of what happened. The stock closed yesterday at $64.59. It was getting a pretty nice haircut at the open today, opening at $58.50 and traded lower. It came into the $56.04 area, piercing through by a little bit more than we would have liked, but the spread on this stock was relatively wide. And when the spread is wide on these stocks, we have to give them a little bit more breathing room on the downside. But look what happened. From a buy level of $56.04, just 15 minutes later, the stock was at a high of $59.80. That represents a $3.76 rip higher off the level identified before the market was even opened for business. This goes to show you the importance of these price levels that traders learn how to calculate for themselves in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. Now we're back on a 10-minute chart, and you can see what happened. The stock came all the way back in, but where did it find support one more time? Around the $56.04 level, going through it by a little bit, but then bouncing higher one more time. Again, that shows you the importance of these price levels and how these stocks respect the prices over and over and over again. One thing that really makes a difference in the course is traders learn why these price levels are important. Once you understand why these price levels are so important, it gives you an added confidence when making the trades. Why is that? Because you understand how to come up with the price level, you understand why it's important, and then you also understand that the majority of the time you're going to get the price reaction in the other direction that we're looking for. Here's GameStop. Again, we're on a 1-minute chart because some of these happen so quick that I want to show you minute by minute exactly what happened. GameStop closed yesterday all the way up at $21.78, getting a haircut at the open. The opening price was $19.90, and just in 2 minutes of trading came all the way in to the $19.08 area, piercing through by a little bit, making a low of $18.92. And then what happened? Just a few minutes later, 9 minutes into the trading day, we were up at a high of $19.59, representing a total possible gain of 51 cents, or almost 2.7% in 9 minutes of trading. Anybody that day trades between VEEV and GME this morning understands that these gains that were realized in these two stocks today are fantastic day trading gains. Back on the 10-minute chart real quick, and you can see here that even though the stock got a bounce, it came back in, it pierced through the $19 level, came back up, but you can see it trading in and around the $19 level. That goes to show you the importance of these price levels that traders learn how to come up with in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. Look, folks, this is a strategy that you can use each and every day for the rest of your trading career. If you want to learn more about the particulars of these two gap trading strategies, come over to Lazy Gap Trader. You can learn everything you need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. I'm David Frost. Thanks for tuning in, folks.